It's not so dead. Working on the Silverado 2500 HD today, and it's had a pretty nasty exhaust leak since I've had it. And I finally decided to get in there and fix it. We thought it was just a slight crack in the manifold. No. The whole manifold was split on the passenger side. So, quick trip to the junkyard. Got a whole nother manifold. 30 bucks, not too bad. However, 2 of the bolts are stripped out on it. This one works, it's just a little crusty, so I've got some anti-seize on it. We've been working it back and forth. But I didn't realize these were messed up until it was already on the truck last night, and I couldn't get any bolts, any nuts to thread on. Shined the light up there and was like, well, damn. So we're going to cut these off, drill them out, put some new bolts in, because I've already tried to take them out with a ratchet and heat and beat, and it's just not working. So we're just going to cut them off, and then I'll drill it out, and then I'll put some new ones in and just tack weld them to hold them. And that should work. I've got another phalange here, so I can put that on and make sure everything stays lined up. But, alright, I'll bring you back when I'm cutting. And boom, just like that. Quick little run of the angle grinder. Those 2 are off. I was thinking I should probably do the 3rd one, but it still works, so I don't know. I'll see if I got bolts. So next I'm going to drill these out, and we'll come back. Alright, so I'm back. I've got the new bolts in, right there. And then I just welded the bolt to the manifold. It's cast steel, so it should work, but it might not. I'm going to roll the dice on that one. Also, I just realized this. The flatbed is like driving around with a giant workbench everywhere. As you can see, this is where I've worked on everything. I got the welder, got the grinder, got the toolbox, got all my parts. I could even have the mini bike up there still. But anyway, back to this. I'll put the other flange on it when I put everything in, had it bolted on so that everything was lined up, so it should drop right in. We're gonna go put it in and see if it works. Alright, new manifold's in. You can see it down there. We've got it bolted up to the motor. We've got the flange in. We're gonna go down below and hook it up. Alright, so we got it on in there. Everything's hooked up. Went ahead and did new plugs and new wires. Here's what the plugs looked like that came out. Pretty sure they're original. So, I'm going to try to find a place to prop you guys up. I don't think it's going to work. Alright, we'll just come back. Now there's still a little leak on some pipe that's on this side. But the big leak is fixed. I'm happy with that. Well, yeah, it only took half Saturday. Let's go see what we can get into the rest of the day. Y'all enjoy your weekend. We'll see you next time.